Last week I uploaded a video about my favorite chord plugin called Scalar 2. This plugin can be used to quickly generate chords and chord progressions for your tracks. Quickly after I uploaded this video, I received a comment from a viewer that had a question that wasn't addressed in the video. So for that reason, I made this video to quickly address that question. Caesar Barbosa 4109 commented, "Is this only a VST or can it be used as a plugin to use with other VSTs?" How I interpret what this viewer is asking is, can Scalar 2 be used to trigger other VSTs as MIDI? While it can't be directly used as a plugin to control other VSTs, you can route the MIDI. I'm going to be setting up this routing in Ableton, but the routing should be similar in whatever DAW that you are using. Here I have an instance of Scalar 2 open with a chord progression that I like. And below it, I have a keys preset from a Native Instruments contact instrument. In order to route the MIDI from Scalar into whatever VST you are using, you're going to need to find your MIDI inputs. In Ableton's case, that'll be right in the MIDI section in the middle of your track on the session view, or on the far right side in the arrangement view. If you don't see this section on the far right, hit the M or MIDI switch, and that'll bring it up or toggle it off. Now in your MIDI from tab, you're going to drop it down and find Scalar 2. Below that, also find Scalar 2. Finally, mute the audio on the Scalar 2 track. Now when auditioning chords, you'll hear that they're playing in whatever your VST is. If you want to use your keyboard to trigger these, hold Control and then arm the Scalar 2 track as well. Now you can use your MIDI keyboard to audition these chords without hearing it through the Scalar 2 plugin. Now you can simply hit the record button and play your chords directly into your arrangement. Simply delete the input from the Scalar track and audition your original track. Now you easily have a chord progression recorded into your DAW that you can quantize and make any changes to that are preferred. Thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see my full Scalar 2 tutorial, make sure to click the pinned link in the comments. I'm DJ Contour, and I'll see you in the next video.